Back at it again. Beautiful views. Beautiful views. My man CJ's bike wouldn't start.
Is it gas in that motherfucker?
And then he got this big ass tank on it. Oh shit. You know, we're out here. CJ, Pack, you know, little man. Got the new stickers on my bike. You know what it is. It gets dirty.
Hey, man. I'm telling you. That's right, man.
Come on, man.
We waited.
My guy was out here eating it. Ooh.
We can't even set this day straight, and we couldn't even bust a real orgasm on the bike. Oh, mad as a motherfucker. When the next time we going out? Saturday to the track?
Oh, my nigga's trying to hit the tracks. CJ gotta get his bike fixed first before anything.
Nigga, he's dropping that shit off like he's dropping us off.
Immediately. Immediately. He said.
Drop off, they going right there on the way, one of the two.
He said, CT KTM, I'm there. But all in all, good day of trail riding. Besides all the fuck up down yonder, excuse my language, the mess up. But yeah, my boy CJ tried to take us on this trail. Look at that. What does that say? Most difficult. And this is what happens. Bikes break down and shit.
The bike was like, nah, not today. It's too cold.
Oh, freezing. Freezing today. But, you know, till next time. Peace.